In this video we are going to learn about how to join two or more tables, or intersecting two or more table means common thing. You take it in a from two or more table. A union means all the values from the two or three table, or except means only from this one table we are taking all the values from the things. Okay, how to do that one? Intersect all these things, create a new table, like joining two table and create one new table. How to do that one, we are going to learn now. For example, we already created in a previous video one table to summarize this one, uh, sales value, right? We summarize them like a sample table we taken, then product line basis we have been summarized. Okay, the same table, what I will do, I will just modify, uh, for the shipping status, I just want to summarize, like, which how much one table which will create for shipped goods, one table for the cancelled one. Okay, how to do that one? By using summarize itself directly, we will not be able to give the table name here. What we have to do, we have to use a filter. Okay, filtered table we have to use. In that filtered, we use that sales table. Here there we are filtering what, like status, right? We are filtering a status equal to, like, shift is the first status. I'll close the bracket. Okay, so what will happen here, the filter will create. Okay, the filter function will, what it does, it will filter the entire data only for the shipped product. That is what the table means. Instead of using an entire table, I use the filter table. Okay, that's the only thing. So what I'll do, I'll rename it as a shipped one, shipped underscore product. Okay, shipped underscore product, I will give enter, so that it create one table called as a shipped underscore shipped product. You can check here. Okay, uh, if I select that one, okay, this is the table I have, shipped product. These are the values we have for the shipped product. Okay, the same way I will create a one more table for the cancelled one. Okay, I copy this one. What we have to do, we have to create a new table. Okay, we have to create a new table. I'll paste it here. Just instead of saying a shipped one, I say cancelled. Okay, here instead of shipped, we use a cancelled table. Okay, these are the cancelled quantity, maximum quantity cancelled one, uh, the product lines we have. I just want to combine them, like, I just want to combine both shipped and cancelled, okay, into the new table. Then what we have to do, we have to union them, right? So what I will do, I'll go and create a new table here. Okay, I just say here, master. Okay, I have in a table view, data view, so that you are getting a data view only. Master, um, we need a union. Okay, it has the table one. The first table is a, which one is the first table? Like shipped table, so shipped product, comma, table 2 is a cancelled product. Which are the table you have been created, those tables you can select to union them. If I enter, we'll create a new table. Like you can see, these are the trucks, like trains, cars. One is for a shift we have, as well as a cancelled also, it has been union them together. In case I just want to, like, a common thing, like both the table, the common product line to be uh, taken, then what we do, instead of union, we can use a intersect. Okay, you can use a intersect to union the Like it asks like left table and right table. Like it says that returns the rows of the left table which appear in a right table, means shipped product, which are the product lines are there. It compare with the right table cancelled product line. If both the rows, like both the values are matching, those values will be taken. If I enter, there is no such matching rows, so that it is not been taken. If I take it reverse, what will happen? Cancelled product, comma, um, shipped product table. No, because there is no intersect. Like common thing in a both the table is not been there. Means it says like product shipped. We have motor cars, classical cars, bus, okay, and cancelled product, classical car. These things are there, but why it is not being uh, taken? Okay, it may be like intersect. We'll check with the accept. Is it working or not? I think accept. Okay. What exactly it do? Except will do like left and right table. It will take returns the row left side table which do not appear in a right side table. Yes. Okay. It's taking like left side table. These are the things are there, but it is not common in a right side table. Means the shipped product. These are not there. Okay. If it is there, it will not take. Okay. But intersect, it is not working. It may be a problem. Intersect. Yes, we are not able to find the common things between both the table, so it is not working properly here. These are the way like to create uh, two or more uh, uh, like table to be taken, union and all we can take it. We know that one in a transform data also we can do that one, like merge and append queries. By using that also we can combine two or more tables. Okay, in case you'd like to combine them in a query language only, like I don't want to go to the transform data, and I would like to do it here itself, like by using a new table. Okay, table tools only, then we can use that particular technique like intersect, union and accept. Okay, it depends like based on your requirement. Like sometimes going to the transform data and creating it will take a lot of time, because loading back the data, because there is so many entries when you have, it will be very difficult to load back and it will take consumer time. That particular time you can use this particular technique to join them together, or to union or intersect two or more table by using a union, intersect and accept formula.